In this video, I'm going to show you how to redact in PDFgear. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top here, click on Protect, and then click on Redact over here. Now, whenever you do that, it's going to give you a pop-up. You simply have to press OK. But what's very important here is that any content, which is basically marked for redaction, will be permanently deleted when the document is saved. So make sure you know that, click on OK, and then you can basically just drag redaction rectangles over where you want to redact. So, for example, let's say I want to redact this. I can just go and click on my left mouse click and drag and then release, and there we go. It's going to create rectangles marked for redaction over here. And then let's say I'm going to do for this as well. There we go. You can do this over text, images, shapes, objects, symbols, whatever you want to use. Of course, it's completely up to you. And then whenever the document is saved, so if I click on save up here, as you can see, it's going to say that I have to save it again as a copy. I'm going to click OK, and then you can basically save this as a copy, and it's going to get redacted. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.